everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina, coming back to you with another dual page creation. I get lots of comments about the appreciation of seeing the process on how I create and build up my pages or my creations, so I thought I should just give you more of that. Here's another night where I'm at my craft room, and I'm with my daughter-in-law, and we are junk journaling. She does more what we would call an art journal, and I'm doing junk journals. But we are at the table, one in front of the other, and we chat a little bit. And there's a video in the background, so I cut all the noise and the sounds of this video, but I did a video in case I would make something cute. Sometimes when I do a creation, I try things that you won't see in the video because I cut the part, because I didn't keep it, or I didn't use it. But this first portion of the video, you're gonna see me juggling with ideas and pieces of papers that at the end they're not even on the page. And it is so much the creation process, literally. So you see the whole creation process today. Of course, when I'm inking all the sides of a paper, I've cut a little bit there, but otherwise, it's all there. That night with my daughter-in-law, she's 15 by the way, so during the week or the weekend, we go in the craft room for one night or two. We love that. And we need that. We both need therapeutic sessions, kind of. I am juggling with my midlife crisis, I guess, that 50 years old that is coming this summer, and the hormones, and whatever it is, I feel a lot like crafting those last weeks and months. And it's the same for a teenager. She's discovering the adult world, and she deals with hormones as well, I guess. But with thoughts and ideas and deceptions and, you know, all of that. So we both go and craft together, and it truly helps. It helps to having someone with you. Sometimes it feels like we just watch our own video and we are in our own bubble, but sometimes we share ideas or thoughts, or we just talk. And now this is where everything changes. Everything was cute so far, but then I got distracted with a beautiful paper that was on my table while looking for another element. This is the wallpaper collection from Lisa that I did a collaboration with her and did my ledger wallpapers. So she has the original wallpapers. So this piece of paper is not a ledger, it's just a wallpaper. If you want that one, you need to go to Lisa's Etsy shop. And then I'm going to use my own ledger wallpaper kit that matches with that. I decided to show you this first part of the video of the process, even if it didn't serve anything on the creation of my dual page, but this is part of the process. And even when you look at my video or other creators' videos, we can cheat by cutting those parts of the video, those who are editing videos, of course. But reality is that I start a lot of things that are not or never completed. So today, I want to reassure you, if it happens to you, it is normal. It is totally normal. And those pieces of papers that I teared down and I inked and I folded, they're not a waste. They're going to be used at some point, but on another project. So now starts the real dual page creation that you're gonna see at the end. And it's a beautiful one. I came up with ideas that I love. It's interesting, it's interactive. It has a little bit of laces and fabric and everything. Because everything that I do in this video is pretty simple, just watching me doing it should not require any instructions. So I don't want to just comment here, I'm inking and I'm gluing and I'm cutting and so let's have a more interesting little talk while you watch the creation process. So first, if you are new to my channel, welcome. And I want to tell you that I have playlists on this channel, and I have a beginner playlist. So if you need like little beginner techniques like how to attach the signature, how to do little things that might seem obvious to us after a while, but when you're new, I understand you need a little bit more details, or even sometimes the name of the products. Like I'm thinking about sari silk. I had no clue what was sari silk before starting junk journals, and then I had no clue where I can buy some. So I have different playlists, and you might want to look at the playlists if you never realize that it exists. Every channel we have like the videos, the short videos, we have playlists, we have announcements or discussions. It's a feature from YouTube, but not everybody uses the playlists. I do. So you might want to go watch there and see if there's a playlist that is for you. The other topic that I want to discuss about, it's the ordering from my website. I realize that a lot of you don't even know that I'm selling on my own website that I got off of Etsy. For everything that needs shipping, all my digitals are still in my Etsy shop, but I used to have two Etsy shop. One for the digitals and one for everything that needs shipping. And so I got out of Etsy last August when the Trump tariffs kicked in. I was not able to have the proper price and the shipping fees that works great for Canada, US, and international. So I played a lot on that since I moved everything on my own website. So you can come and do your shopping. And just so you know, the shipping cost, it's a flat rate shipping. So I have a specific flat rate shipping for Canada. I have a specific flat rate shipping for US. And if you're a US citizen, don't worry. I take care of all the Trump tariffs. So you don't have any surprise when you get my package through the mail system. You won't have any additional fee to pay. I'm handling all of that from my side, from my website, and it's all good. And I have a flat rate shipping for international. So if you want to order just one small item, well, the flat rate shipping might seem a little bit too much for just a piece of sari silk. But on the other end, if you want 3, 4, 5 items, you don't have to worry that by adding one more or two more, the shipping cost will become very, very expensive because it's a flat rate shipping. And I'm not making any money on the flat rate shipping. Of course, it's an average. On some very, very small orders, I might have a little extra money from the shipping. And if the extra money is just too much, I do a refund. So every week I do some refunds depending on the orders. On the other end, though, on some big orders, I kind of lose a little bit of money because the shipping is a bit more expensive. But at the end, in average, it makes it up. So I kind of came up with a formula that seems to work right now to have the proper prices and the flat rate shipping. So just don't be afraid of the shipping fees. What you see, it's that. That's it. And I have a banner that gives you this information right when you go on my website. If you are outside Canada and US and your country charges some custom fees like the VAT, you might have to pay a little extra, but I try to keep the numbers as low as possible to help you with that. The other thing I want to talk to you is first, I want to say a big thank you for all of you who bought my new kind of, I'll call them books, but there's nothing there as a novel. It's pictures, junk journal pages, but on Amazon, printed for you and available. And I want to say a big thank you for all the orders that came in. It really gave me the drive and the willingness to produce more of those because, it's like everything. I love what I do, but if there's nobody to buy my products or to watch my videos, I have no purpose at all. So I want to thank you to give me a purpose. And it seems like a lot of you really do appreciate having those books that are printed for you and available worldwide because Amazon is kind of everywhere and it's their print on demand service that prints those books. So I can offer it worldwide because Amazon will only print when you order it. So there's no inventory at all there, and that's why it's so cheaper for a creator like me to make some available compared to if I have to find a printer and do my own shipping and have a big inventory to have good prices. I definitively want to create more, and I welcome you to write a comment under this video of your favorite digital kits that you would love to have in a book like that. So I'm gonna look at your answers and see if I can make books that have like a theme, like that everything goes together within the book but has a good variety and that kind of stuff. So if you are one of those customers that you want to buy printed books like that because you don't own a printer or you prefer the laser print because you want to use it with mixed media like watercolor and acrylic paint and that kind of stuff, just give me your comments or ideas and I'll listen to you. Another topic is membership, YouTube memberships. So, if you didn't realize it, YouTube enabled memberships on channels. I think you need to have a minimum of subscribers and you need to reach certain criterias that YouTube decided. But I got the invite to enable the memberships on my channel last year. And when the Trump tariffs kicked in August, I found myself in a situation where I didn't even know if I could ever sell again to the US, which is, let's be honest, more than 80% of my sales. And YouTube was offering an incentive to start the memberships on the channels. And I just decided that that would be my way to cope with all of that and get some support, financial support from those of you who can afford it. I understand it is not everybody that can afford paying a membership, but it is there. And last week or 2 weeks ago, I posted a little short video showcasing a project that I've made for the memberships. And I got a lot of questions about it because a lot of people were confusing subscribing to my channel and becoming a member. So you can just be a viewer watching my videos. You can subscribe to my channel with the subscribe button and put the little alarm and for the notifications. This is normal. But then when you subscribe, I think you need to be subscribed first to get the join button, but to join the memberships, it's another button that should be like join. And when you click on that, you're going to have like a price listed there. And I made it cheap, like it's just one small store-bought coffee, let's say, per month. And you would join, and then you have access to exclusive video, freebie files every month, and a 35% off discount on my digitals that are on Etsy. So, really, that membership fee, you can get the value out of it by having the freebie file, the video content, and the Etsy digital discount. I wanted to give enough perks for the members to have the value of the membership price. And by the way, if you are a member or you would be interested in becoming a member, I can enable different memberships, like different levels at different prices. I just don't even have the imagination of what you would like. But if you have any ideas, I'm always open to suggestions. That's pretty much it for today. In a coming video, I might want to talk about my midlife crisis. I mean, it's a whole process. It is quite something. And out of that, I wrote an ebook. It's not completed yet because I procrastinated a little bit to finish it, but it's been a journey that is now on its third year, and it kind of reached the maximum peak this last 6 months. So I really needed to understand and write about it and create a tool for others. I'm it's part of me. I love to create tools and create tutorials to help others, and that's me. So an ebook is coming, and probably lots of discussions too about that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.